In this video, I'll show you how to change the invoice quantity on Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to head over to sales. Now, under sales, you want to click on the second option, which is invoices. Now, that will take you to the invoices section. And in order for you to edit an invoice, you want to make sure that on the right hand side under status, this is set to a draft and not as paid. You are not able to edit paid invoices. So, what you want to do is make sure that whenever you are creating an invoices to save and close, other than save and send. Now, what you want to do is simply click on an invoice. And once you are on the invoices tab, you want to head over to the third option of the item. And from here, we have quantity. Now, in order for you to change the quantity, what you want to do is just simply click on the first box for the quantity. And from here, you can set it to be 0 or a value of 5. Now, whenever you're creating a quantity, you want to make sure that the product that you are trying to sell has an inventory. Now, when editing the quantity, you just want to make sure that you have enough inventory for you to add the value of your quantity. And once you are satisfied with how it looks like, you want to simply head over to the top and right corner, and you can either save and close or approve an email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section.